Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the playing card symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the playing card symbol in your Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this short form of video. We're just going to click this and just going to edit this. Now you can't insert the symbol from Google Docs mobile because there is no option to insert the symbol here. If you click on this plus symbol, you can't find it. So you just use the Google keyboard in alternative. So just press on this key. You can see this number key, then you just need to press on this key again. Now you just need the playing card symbol. You just want to press on the dot. So you can see this is the clever, spade, heartim and diamond symbol. So you just want to long press, which will pop up here, and you can just select the which playing card symbol that you want, and just you can just insert it. Then you just to select it, click on this A symbol, just increase the size, and you can just copy paste wherever you just want. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.